Right everyone, I just wanted to share this little project with you. I made 3 of these different sizes because I was just testing to see which one I liked. That actually could do with being cut off, but I stuck that one down. It was a little bit too long, you see, so I cut it and stuck it up like that. They are handy little bags, and when you get the fasteners on, a couple of magnets or something like that, you could do them in, you know, and decorate them up. So I just use this paper, the colour I don't like. And I'm going to try and share how I made those. And then, you know, you could put tags or something in there, put cards or labels in. I don't know. Hold your bags in, look. See? And then you can put them away so that they're away. They'll stand up and you could line them up. See? That's my bags for wrapping stuff. Go! That... that frightened the life out of me. Do you know what it was? The scoreboard. It slipped across the wooden floor. Oh my god, I'm losing it. But hey ho. That was funny. Right up bloody laugh out of me. Oh, here we go. Do it again. Right, take your card. First of all, do an inch on the longest sections. Like that. Turn it around. We'll do 3 inch, inch and a half. Did I get that right? Yep. No, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, yeah. That's it, isn't it? I'm lost there. That should be it. And then an inch and a half again. 3 inch, inch and a half, 3 inch, inch and a half, 3 inch. I'll put it on the screen for you. So what we're going to do is, this is the section we're going to cut off. And we just cut that. Like so. And then we have to miter this one. Like that. Like that. What we're going to do is fold everything over. Like that. I'm just going to... Oh, what did I do with it? Oh, there we are. Okie dokie. Use your bone folder to... like that. And then we need to go that way. Again, fold over. Again. And the last time. Okie dokie. And then, like I say, you just need to glue that section. I'm going to really have to do mine quickly. When you're pulling it over, just make sure that that lays flat there. This front section lays flat, never mind that. Peel that off, doesn't matter. You're going to go over it anyway. Okay, so we just make sure that that is there flat. Okay. And then we bring that one over there. So I'm just going to go from the top to there. And just bring that, make sure it's flat here. And this one as well. Make sure that's flat. And then you've got that. Now this is too long here, so I am going to cut mine a little. Use my knife. I think we'll just go that far, and that piece will be at the handle. We're going to make that into the handle. So we've got this section you need to slit. Okay, so I'm just going to do mine about there, and about the same again there. Poke the first one in, and what I would do just to stop it bending is flip that back. Okay, dab the glue on it like that, and then kind of bend that with your hand, see, like that. Flip that through again, bend it, fold it back. Sorry about that, the camera battery died. I've had to put a new one in, change it till I sort it out. Right, so I've now put that in, that handle. Now what I'm going to use is the corner to punch that. See, sometimes they get full. Never mind. Just pop that in. Well, they do if you use them. Mine doesn't really want to go, but hey ho, it's going. That's it. So I can round that off, and then all I need to put on is to decorate it and add the clip, the magnet. Now I do have some somewhere, I'll have to fish that out. But that is a nice little box for you to now decorate and play around with. They are easy to do, and you can do a lot with them and make them look like really... Do you know what you could make yourself if you collect handbags? Make your own. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.